In today's video, we will discuss how to take a left turn at a traffic signal. We have already discussed lane selection in one of our previous videos. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find it here. To take a left turn at a traffic signal, your car must be in the correct lane. First, change to the left lane. This lane is for going straight. This lane is also for going straight, and this lane is for taking a left turn. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and always follow their instructions. Wait for the traffic signal to turn green. Many students are confused about where to stop. Some stop here, while others stop here. If you don't know the correct place to stop your car, watch this video. As we discussed before, some intersections have dotted lane markings. But remember, there are no lane markings on this road. This is where many students make a mistake. Some move to the left, and some move to the right. Do not make this mistake in your RTA road test. As you can see, there are 2 lanes before the turn. But after the turn, the road has 3 lanes. You should move from the 2nd lane into the 3rd lane. Let's move. First, drive straight for a short distance, then follow the correct turning angle. You will learn the proper technique during your driving practice sessions. Don't drive straight and make a sharp turn at the last moment. That is a common mistake and can lead to poor lane positioning or loss of steering control. Must check your right side here. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.